Do you also really love dancing but just wish you were a better dancer? Are you also overwhelmed by all the choices that are out there on learning how to dance? And do you just want to find one good place where you could learn all the good stuff? Well, it's your lucky day because I can help you with that. My name is Bao Tran and I'm the creator of the YouTube channel Learn How to Dance, where I've taught millions of people how to dance. I specialize in popular dances and I'm known for my incredibly good looks. And I'm known for my beginner-friendly teaching style. Now, after almost 20 years of dancing, I've decided to put all the best things I've learned over the years into this Pop Dance Bootcamp. Bootcamp. That would actually be awesome. Into this Pop Dance Bootcamp. And in this dance course, I'll teach you all the things you need to know to become a better dancer, and I'll also teach you some awesome dance moves that'll boost your confidence on the dance floor. So I'm probably not wrong in assuming that you are a bit interested in this course, right? Either that, or you just really like watching me talk. Either way, come join my course. I think you owe yourself a bit of fun, right? So I'll see you inside. Or else.